drive us around a little bit in here, see how it is today.
Imagine there was a way you could actually fool us. Like using one of your videos on your phone about you. Like if I had a phone, I could use a video about you, and if it said GoPro start recording, and if one of them said GoPro start recording, I'd use that, and then it was just start recording.
Yeah.
That'd be funny. What? It's shaky.
Yep. This is just two-wheel drive stuff. We get shakier yet.
Two-wheel?
We're not in four-wheel drive yet.
We are in two-wheel. Oh.
Hold on to the soda.
I'm holding on.
Wonder if we can get up that. Yep, we got her up there in two. What? You shouldn't be trying to drink from the soda can while we're driving in the rough stuff, man.
God. Then a tumbleweed. Someone that stuck the weeds got in my mouth.
Oh yeah, you got a little sagebrush.
Sagebrush. There's one in my mouth, and I thought I saw a bug. It's like a sage bug or something.
Could be. This is where they live.
But I'm also worrying if one fell in the soda.
Uh-huh.
I wonder what catastrophic events could happen if one did.
Let's see where we're at here.
Oh, I get it. It lowers it a little.
Huh?
It lowers the truck a little.
It just gives it more power is all.
Ah! But, Dad.
Yes, sir.
Oh, freak.
You're all right, son. This is what we're out here for.
Where did the window just fall down?
Yep, that's all right.
I hope
We'll
it
take
didn't
care of it.
fall out.
We're just out here to play a little bit. Enjoy ourselves.
I gave him the sagebrush.
Yeah, lots of it.
Something they got in the soda. Ah! I think it's like it's some mud. Ah! I got mud in my mouth.
Did we throw some dirt?
Yeah, it's some of the dirt lying in my mouth.
All right.
Ugh. I can't believe it. This is what being in the front's like.
This is going to be bumpy, buddy, so don't be taking drinks right now.
Okay. Try not to have to go near the drink.
Can't help that part, big guy. Sometimes we lean into the tree.
I'm trying to push it away. Has to keep it away from the sagebrush.
Good timing on your drink there, buddy.
Wait, it's sagebrush.
You're going to see a little more here.
Get it, tumbleweed. Not tumbleweed. Sagebrush. Oh, no. Dad, I'm dead.
Need 4 low for this one.
Dad, I'm free.
Here we go, bud. Oh, nothing to be afraid of, big guy. It won't even turn right now. We're just...
I was afraid that this was going to flip over.
up is a lot harder than going down.
Ow! It's not a sagebrush.
Just trying to figure out our best way through. Looks fine. Maybe. You're okay, son.
Dad's even raised I'm afraid. Dad.
Yeah?
I'm afraid this is gonna flip over. You're not even wearing a seatbelt. How are you handling this?
That was pretty gnarly, huh, buddy? I was scared a little bit there, too. Woo! We rock. Give me 5. Yeah.
Dad.
This is a steep one, but we're okay. We got to go around one rock, and then we come back to the left.
Dad, look.
Take it slow.
Look where the fence is. See this? Where the fence is?
There we go. Look at that. We're doing great. Right where we need to be to avoid that rock hitting our winch.
What winch?
Normally we wouldn't have the winch on right now, but we're going to put her in 4-wheel drive.
Wait. 4-wheel?
Normally we wouldn't even have the winch on right now. Dad was just playing with it the other day.
Dad?
Yep. Hold on to it. It'll spill.
Maybe put your cup in there. That might be why it spilled.
That's how I spilled my coffee. Exactly.
Put in the back. But I like things here. Because I don't want to get dirt in my face again. Oh.
Didn't make that hump, did we? There's a big old lump there, isn't there? Looks like we ain't making that direction.
I swear if we're stuck, I'm gonna be scared.
Uh-huh.
At least I know it's right, so that has sand dunes on the back, like a back of my hand. It's like I have a map on the back of my hands. I know with sand dunes. Even though it's huge, I know how to get out of the sand dunes.
Uh-huh.
Always head west.
This is just the beginning of the sand dunes area. We're not anywhere strange.
And
This
Dad,
is where we came in at.
one of the clouds looks like a goat. I see one of the clouds that looks like a.
Hang on, big boy. You're going down. You're funny, kiddo.
Look. See, I can reach pedals. Look.
Hey, if we scoot the seat up, you probably could.
Mhm.
I didn't realize that. We're gonna have to start driving.
Ah! What's it?